Here are B&K Precision's 2540B series digital storage oscilloscopes. This series includes 60 and 100 MHz models with or without built-in arbitrary waveform generators. All four models offer a sampling rate of 1 gigasample per second, up to 2.4 million points of deep memory, waveform analysis with math functions including FFT, user interface with 11 different languages, USB device port to store and recall waveforms, setups, and screenshots via flash drive, and standard LAN and USB interfaces on the rear. Models 2540B-Gen and 2542B-Gen add built-in 20 MHz and 40 MHz arbitrary waveform generators, providing the convenience of an oscilloscope and signal generator combined in one instrument. Available ComSoft PC software offers control of all scope parameters via a PC, as well as the ability to capture, save, and analyze measurement results. Full front panel emulation is also provided through the built-in LAN interface, allowing users to communicate with the DSO using a web browser. For educators desiring to teach measurement fundamentals, the Auto Set button can be disabled via a factory-provided code. All models provide context-sensitive on-screen help, while -Gen models include additional illustrations to explain the parameters of the built-in arbitrary waveforms and modulation schemes.